Hi, my name is Jonathan Weinberger, and I've helped thousands of developers learn to code and develop games with Unity for the last 7 years. I currently teach game development on Udemy, an online marketplace for courses. Udemy has over 20 million students learning everything from game development to piano or cooking. Enjoy courses on any device and at your own pace with lifetime access. My course, The Ultimate Guide to Mobile Game Development with Unity, is designed to teach you how to build mobile games in Unity using TileMap and how to monetize them with Unity ads. We'll cover everything from creating our levels, setting up puzzle objectives, and publishing our games to the Google Play Store. This course is for anyone who wants to learn game development or refine their technique. Whether you're interested in game development as a hobby or you want to make games professionally, this course will grow your programming skill set and help you go on to make your own games and applications. Click on the link in the bottom left of the video player to access a special discount for this course. I look forward to teaching you more about game development with Unity and C# on Udemy.